Go, baby, go!
Yeah!
Yeah!
On the ground. Woo! And she gone. Holy fuck!
He's a beauty!
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
You guys want to get closer?
Oh, we can
Man,
get a
I
little
need to pull
closer.
up fucking Herc.
I feel like we can get closer.
I'm gonna get Herc with it.
Hey, chaser convergence caught up. Sorry guys, this is ours.
Herc lost a foot.
He got caught in the nadir.
Amazing.
Yeah, like all the chasers finally caught up to us.
Yeah. My camera's so...
Yeah. Okay, so what's the radar look like? Where are we going? What are we doing?
Just keep following this road, man.
Okay.
Don't need radar. Don't need radar in front of us.
Well, I just wasn't sure where the
There's
couple
nothing
was.
behind us or anything. It's all
Okay.
right there.
Steep hill.
Woo!
Hold on to your titties.
Yes, they didn't know we were going on a roller coaster too.
Nah, well, surprise. Texas.
Okay.
Hey, they saw the tweet.
Has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ford County in northern Texas, northwestern Knox County in northern Texas until 8 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Chalk, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and tennis ball-sized hail.
I might cry when this is done.
Gas media confirmed tornado. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Look at it.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Watch it, dude.
Tree damage is likely.
On Twitter.
Locations impacted
It's down
include
again. And it
Truscott.
is beautiful.
To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take
I'm
cover
doing all I
now.
can to keep us on the road.
Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Running again.
If you are outdoors, or vehicle, move. The
Look at
thunderstorm
that!
was located near Headley, or 11 miles southeast.
Holy fuck!
We made it to the party!
Jesus, is that thing giant! Holy fuck! Look at that! Sorry guys, this is ours.
Herc lost a foot.
He got caught in the nadir.
Amazing.
Yeah, like all the chasers have just finally caught up to us.
Yeah. My camera's soaked.
Yeah. Okay, so what's the radar look like? Where are we going? What are we doing?
Just keep following this road, man.
Okay.
Don't need radar. It's on the ground in front of us.
Well, I just wasn't sure where
There's
the couple
nothing
was.
behind us or anything. It's all right there.
Steep hill.
Oh my god, that rain is like, that hurts now. That freaking hurts. Woo!
Hold on to your titties.
Yes, I didn't know we were going on a roller coaster too.
Nah, well, surprise. Texas.
Texas.
Hey, they saw the tweet.
Has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ford County in northern Texas, northwestern Knox County in northern Texas until 8 p.m.
Keep an eye on it. Make sure you don't get in it.
7 p.m. A confirmed tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Chalk, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
This is a fucking insane day.
Tennis ball-sized hail.
I might cry when this is done.
Gas media confirmed tornado. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Look at it.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will
We're not even watching it, dude.
I'm trying to update on Twitter.
Oh,
locations impacted.
it's down again. And it is beautiful.
To repeat, a
Oh my
tornado is on
God.
the ground. Take
And I'm doing all I can to keep
Yo,
us on the
Curtis,
road.
honestly, kick-ass job driving.
Yeah.
For real.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Oh my god, that's stunning again.
If you are outdoors,
Doing everything I possibly can. Look at that!
located near Headley, or 11 miles southeast.
Holy fuck!
Look who made it to the party! Woo!
Jesus, is that thing giant? Oh! Look at that! I think we got time to stop for a couple quick snaps.
Pouring rain, though. That's Tahoka.
That's a big dusty bitch.
Yep.
I love it.
Shall we just stop here with Levinsky?
Go a little further. That's not a Blinsky.
anyway. Now going into the fucking tornado. Oh, she's windy here.
We're basically 0 metering right now.
Windy? That's intense. What do you want me to do here, boss?
Just keep pulling her forward a bit.
Just get back on. Just go. Turn the light bars on?
No, not the light bars, no. Just blind everybody.
Yeah, we are totally 0 metering this.
Yep.
Should we park into it?